I'm excited to say that after 2 years of development and hard work, we finally have it. A tool that empowers e-commerce owners. We call it the Terminal. It allows you to get data from any keyword in Google, any domain name, any part of the web. It gives you results that you can learn from, act on, and build your business on.
The Terminal is invaluable. In today's world, the online marketplace is constantly changing. It seems there's a different trend every single day, which can make it a real challenge to know how to stay ahead. The Terminal has changed all of that for me, and quite literally given the data back into my hands. I now know what people are Googling, the importance of certain keywords, and I know exactly what my competitors are up to.
As a 5-year IT professional, I can say that Terminal is a brilliant platform because we have the most current data stored in a high intelligence database. Our website is super fast, extremely clever, and easy to use.
The Terminal is a very powerful tool for any e-commerce company. It's simple to use, and very quickly you can use it to understand your target market. With just a few clicks, you can find out exactly how many people are looking for your product or service to gauge the demand. So you can use it to find out what people are looking for online, and perhaps more importantly, what they're not looking for. And we're always here if you want to give us a call, and we'll walk you through it.
We designed the Terminal to be the most friendly and handy to understand the online performance of your competitors. The data is presented in a way that's very easy to understand, so it helps save you lots of time in researching.
Now you finally have the chance to control the digital side of your business without the need of paying excessive professional fees. Inform yourself of what's required to succeed. Understand the opportunity you really have and make the move that's necessary.
So it gives me such pleasure to let you know that it's here. Enjoy our Terminal. Enjoy Yasmin's.